Welcome back to Western New York Living. Simply put, diet is a four-letter word, but I didn't say it's a bad four-letter word because with help from my next guest, diet's a word that puts a smile on all faces and all of our clients' faces. Joining me now from the Ideal You Weight Loss Center is my friend Donna Herberger. Great to see you.
Great to see you.
Well, let's talk about diet, your protein protocol versus a do-it-yourself keto diet.
Okay.
What people are trying to do.
So keto is very popular. Keto stands for putting yourself in the state of ketosis. It's a ketogenic diet. Our diet is a ketogenic diet, but we're a healthy ketogenic diet. We are not high fat. A lot of ketogenic diets, people are eating fried foods, a lot of cheese, a lot of dairy, and their cholesterol raises when they're on that diet. Their triglycerides go through the roof. Their cholesterol goes up. A lot of bad things happen if you're on a high-fat diet. Nobody needs to be on a high-fat, high-carb diet. So our diet is much healthier, low-carb and low-fat.
Yeah, you mentioned fats there with the keto diet there. There are good fats, there are bad fats.
Right.
When it comes to the diet here. But low-fat is what your protocol is about too,
yes,
correct?
Low-fat, lean protein. In our products, people eat our products for breakfast, lunch, and snack. There's no animal protein, so it's much more digestible by your body, much more absorbable, and you get a lot more bang for your buck. And if our products are made with vegetable protein, it's going to be half the calories of animal protein. So you're going to lose weight faster, healthier. You're going to eat 4 cups of vegetables a day, couple salads, drink a lot of water. It's super healthy.
Yeah, a lot of things have changed in the science of food and what we eat, but saturated fat, that hasn't changed. That's still bad for you.
Bad. You're bad. You only need a high-fat diet if you want to gain some weight. So it's very hard to lose on a do-it-yourself keto diet what people lose in our program. Women lose 2 to 4 pounds a week. Men lose 3 to 5. And it's because of everything that we do. We're not just low carb, it's everything, the science behind our program.
And that's following the protocol. That's not running marathons. That's not
right. No additional activity, just lose your weight.
What sort of foods can people eat? Because they're hearing, okay, well, I can't eat, chicken wings, saturated fat here. What sort of foods can they eat?
Lean protein for your dinner, because on our program you make your own dinner. So you can have any kind of fish, seafood, beef, poultry, pork, bison, deer, elk, frog legs, kidney, lamb loin, liver, moose, ostrich, rabbit, or tofu.
Wow.
Lean.
Frog leg. I never had frog legs.
You can.
Are they good?
I don't know. Never had them.
You do have weekly weights. Talk about the support network that you have.
15-minute appointment, come in once a week. People journal. We review the journal, see how they're doing, tell them what they're doing good, what they can do better. Give them tips and tricks. Get them on our computerized scale that measures their muscle, their fat, their hydration, not just their weight, but what's going on in their body, and answer their questions, get them measured. They buy their food, and they're on their way.
All right, success stories.
Oh, we got a lot.
Some. Let's start off here.
Jessica.
Yeah, talk about Jessica.
Jessica lost 62.8 beautiful pounds, 58.5 inches in about 33 weeks, averaging just under 2 pounds a week, lost 30% of her body weight. We gained it head to toe. She lost it head to toe.
All right, next up we
have Robert. Look how happy he is. 30%, 73 pounds, 43 inches in 21 short weeks. He was averaging 3.5 pounds a week.
Wow, you could tell by the before picture he was not happy.
He was, I don't know if he wasn't happy, but he's happier.
Yeah, well, he definitely
Much
was happier in the effort.
And Kathleen lost 45.2 pounds. That's about 3 pant sizes, 3 dress sizes, 38.5 inches. Look, she's looking to the side. She's so happy. She wants to look at the camera. And we sent her over to Capello's for a great makeover. She's just more beautiful than ever. The haircut, color, highlight, makeup, manicure. She's stunning.
All right, you have several locations.
We do.
And options for people to learn more, correct?
Tonawanda, West Seneca, and our original in Clarence. We do informational open houses every Wednesday, 6 p.m. Sign up online and come on in.
All right, you've seen the results. Now's the time to get serious about your weight loss with the help from Ideal You Weight Loss Center and their unique protein-based weight loss protocol. To find out more, you can head over to the website, which is idealu.com. You can register there for one of their upcoming open houses they have every week. Register online or by calling the number on the screen. They have 3 convenient locations, which are, again, in Clarence, West Seneca, and Tonawanda. Coming up next, delicious food and wonderful auction items combined for a fabulous night out. We'll preview Beechwood Continue Care's Treasures of the Sea event when we continue.
Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: